Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace battery on 2011 Suzuki SX4. This battery replacement will apply to Suzuki SX4 from 2006 to 2013. To start this battery removal, you will have to open the vehicle's hood and locate your battery. On this Suzuki, the battery is located in the engine compartment on the driver's side. To remove this battery, you will have to remove two 10mm bolts that holds battery holder, and then negative and positive pole also hold by 10mm bolts. So for this job I'm gonna use ratchet with 10mm socket. You wanna first start with the battery holder removal. You wanna lose it. So basically if you remove one bolt, that's more than enough, and you can put the battery holder on the side. And now the next step is to remove those 10mm bolts. After you lose that 10mm bolts, you can remove the battery cables from one side and then the other side. Just wiggle it out and put it on the side. Now simply you can just pull your battery out. And that's it. The battery is out. Now we're gonna install the new one. Now I put the new battery in. You just want to remove those plastic caps and you want to put everything back together. Start with battery holder. You want to put it back on the battery and tighten those 10mm bolts. After that you want to connect your negative pole battery and then positive pole battery. Then you will have to tighten those 10mm bolts on each side, and that's it. Thanks for watching.